Dear students, I am Subha Bansiwal, Assistant Professor English, SPC Government College Field. Today I will explain the chief characteristics of the novel Kanthapura by Mulkraj Anand. In this novel, Mulkraj Anand speaks about, he presents the influence of Gandhian movement on common people all over India. Here, Kanthapura is a small village, and this village represents the small villages of India during 1920s and 1930s, when Gandhian movements were in vogue. The first, I speak on the theme of the novel. This novel presents the effect of Gandhian movements on the common people. In Kanthapura, the village people are superstitious, ignorant, and illiterate, and these people are ignorant, superstitious, and the whole society is divided into different sections, like Brahmin section, weaver section, potter section, and the Sudra section, etc. When Murthy, who is an educated person and he lives in city, and when he comes to village, he inspires the people of his village to fight against British rule, to fight for their freedom, and he instills the ideas of Gandhi on these people. So these people fight a bitter, and they struggle against this the authority and British rule and the white authority in the village. And in this struggle, the white people, the white authority inflict exploitation on them. They inflict atrocities on them. So this novel presents various atrocities inflicted by British white authority on common Indian people in village. And what he presents in this situation was prevalent in all over India. Means the British white people, the British people were inflicting tremendous miseries and atrocities on these people who were in favor of the freedom of India and who were fighting against British rule. This novel is a regional novel. We can call it a regional novel because Raja Rao presents this village Kanthapura, and he presents its habit, the habit of people, their living style, their manners, their language, etc. And it appears to us as if we are watching this village before our eyes. The people of this village are superstitious, ignorant, illiterate, and they are caste ridden. The whole society is divided in various caste sections, And when Murthy goes to downtrodden classes to inspire them and instill ideas of Gandhi in them, the higher sections, the people of higher section of society uh, threaten him to outcast him. So these people are caste ridden, they are illiterate and superstitious, and these people are very simple, and they have religious. Raja Rao here presents their social, political, and religious life, uh, and they are religious people, and they believe in a goddess whose name is Kanchama, and uh, her temple is situated in the middle of the village, and these people pray to this goddess in their miseries and difficulties. And it is believed that the goddess Kenchuma killed demons long ago, and uh, the devil who was exploiting women of the village and devouring the men and children of this village, and this goddess fought against him and killed this devil. So these people are religious and superstitious also. So this novel is a regional novel. The regional novel is a novel which presents the habits, manners of living of a particular area, and here Raja Rao presents the living style and manners of the people of Kanthapura. So it is a regional novel. Here Raja Rao also used mythical technique. Uh, he fuses past and present. Uh, Here Harikatha man, whose name is Ram Charan, is called in the village, and he presents the contemporary situation, the situation of battle against British by Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi's ideas and views. He presents all these through the myth of Ramayana. He presents that he presents that there was a avatar of Ram, and Ram went into exile to say to Ram. He says that he presents that Ram fought against Ravana to save Sita. In the same way, here he says that Mahatma Gandhi was fighting against British rule to save the country India. Here Sita represents India, and Ravana represents the British people, and Ram presents Mahatma Gandhi. So this and Raja Rao used the mythical technique to present the contemporary situation, and he also presented this mythical technique because the people of this village Kantapura were superstitious. They did not believe, they did not know, they knew nothing about politics. They believed in the holy scriptures of Indian culture, and through these scriptures, it was so easy to give them knowledge about contemporary situation through these scriptures. This novel is also The characterization of this novel is very simple. There are two types of characters: the the characters who support the British rule, and the characters who support Gandhi movements. The characters are divided in two parts, and the the higher sections of society, like the first Brahmin of the village Bhatta, and the police inspector Badi Khan, um, all these characters support the British rule. And on the other hand, the characters like Murthy, Ratna, Rangama um, support Gandhian movement, and they fight against freedom of their country. And this Kanthapura, in this novel, there isn't a particular hero. Uh, Kanthapura is itself uh, can be called a hero, because in this novel Raja Rao doesn't present an individual hero. He presents uh, the whole Kanthapura, the its religious, political, and social life, um, and the the battle which is fought by the masses of this village against the British rule, um, and the British people. So there is not an individual hero. The Kanthapura is itself a hero. The whole people are part of this village, and they represent this village. So these were the chief characteristics of this novel. Thank you.